Yes, girl, flip them inches. Don't mind my sister, she's such a tomboy. But if you want a quick talk through on how to do a pronto quick weave, keep watching. So first I started out with a very basic just braid pattern. She wanted a side part, so I sectioned out the hair that will be left out, and then I'm just braiding down the rest so that I can sew down the cap to protect her hair. Some people might prefer to mold their hair, especially if you have shorter hair, but her hair is kind of thick, so the braids make for a more flat and secure foundation for the quick weave and for you to glue the tracks on, and they stay. So now you just see me. Y'all, please don't be like us. We forgot to get a stocking cap, so we had to use a dome cap. Now, it's nothing wrong with this. It will protect your hair, but it will not let your scalp breathe. So try to go for a stocking cap or double your stocking cap if you want extra protection, but we just had to make it do with what we had. So as you see, I'm just going around and I'm sewing to the braids around the perimeter of my braid foundation. And then I just went in and cut the elastic and the fat, band that's all around, because of course we don't want that. I just need the cap to cover, where I'll be gluing at. So then I began to go in and start placing my webs. I do it pretty much like anybody else. I measure it, cut it, and then I apply the glue and of course make sure it's dry, all that stuff like that. I also like to use hairspray just to make the cap a little hard and to make the glue a little tacky. I don't know, it just makes me feel like it lasts a little bit longer, and that's the purple can that you see, and it'll be in the description box. And once I have placed all of my webs and I filled it all the way up to the top, made sure they're glued, secured, all that good stuff, dried all the way out, I begin my styling process. First I like to go into my leave out and just straighten it out real nice and smooth so that it blends with her tracks. I use a heat protectant called Hot Off the Press by Paul Mitchell, which will also be in the description box, and I use my JaniaMeshell Wax Stick to smooth out those flyaways. And then I just go through with my Marcel iron and I'm just curling her up. And once I'm done with the curls, I just went in with my SHEISBOMB edge control to slick out her edges. And then I also went in with my shears to frame her face and to add layers and some body. And voila! That is so pretty and blended. I love the curls. I just love how her hair blended so good with the weave. Like, it was everything. I love it.